Today's a day. All Tech Raceway, Saturday night gig, 604 crate. Got the old custom spray painted graphics on there. You know you like that. Original dust as always. Got to keep it nice and clean. So we're gonna see what we can do. It's gonna be a heat deal. Goes on to a feature, however you finish in the heat. A couple sets of tires, older car. Made a lot of changes. Haven't raced in a year, but we're gonna see if we can dig or not. So stick around. Pretty rough weekend. Started off in the tail of the heat, finished in the tail of the heat, lacked side bat, lacked traction, made some adjustments, a few laps in the feature, smacked the wall, got put into the wall. Don't know if it was my fault, doesn't really matter because it happened. But now I'm probably stuck with about, I imagine, a couple doll hairs worth of damage here. As you can tell, my rear of the car almost looks like I've got a super street in here. Look how far that left rear's out. Notice the right rear, she's sucked on in there good, and that's because the axle shifted over roughly, if I had to guess, 5 inches. Never got into the wall, bent the J-bar, shifted the axle over it, and also bent the right front. You know, just getting started, so take it easy on the old fella. I know I ran out of talent. I don't need to hear it from you two, but you know, just keep on keeping on, and just keep on working on this thing. We'll eventually get it going. All right, so it's a couple days after the races. It's a Monday. We've got the car all cleaned up, washed. I'm looking at it. I'm scared to show y'all. It's took on a little damage. More or less struggled from the time we got there, and the heat started in the back. Pill draw, slip and slide, chase side bite, got in the feature. Really didn't get to cut too many laps for plowing the wall, which that did do some damage, which I'm gonna show y'all right now. Got into the wall, bent both right side rims, just whoop, mopped those right off there. Right front upper lowers bent, spindles bent. As you can see here, that ain't supposed to be like that. That right rear should be sucked in there 6 inches. Left rear poked out a few inches. That's because When we hit the wall, it bent the J-bar, which that right there goes from the frame to the center of your pinion, keeps the 4-link rear end in there from going side to side. Not only did that damage, along with a little bit of body damage, which we can give a little bit of hammer to that bugger out there, up and down the side, get the rest of that spray bomb off the side. More body damage on the front nose, but nothing too critical there. It's these frame parts that gets expensive. As you can see, right front upper, right front lower got bent, busted a little piece off my shock. So we did get a little bit of damage. No worries though, we're gonna keep moving forward. Still kind of a rookie here, haven't ran a whole heck of a lot, but just learning. So hope you guys enjoy this footage. Make sure you hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Drop a comment, give me a like, give me something here. I need some sort of inspiration, but I do appreciate y'all and hope y'all enjoy this. Thanks again. See what happens.